Hey parents and students, welcome back. Today we are going to be taking a look at the note E and our new note B. So E is going to be played with the open string, the first string. So we're going to take our index finger and we're going to play E. And just as a reminder, we don't want to pull upwards like this. We want to bring the finger back so it's coming into the palm of your hand, not going up. If you see your child bringing their hand way out like that in like a smacking motion, that's not what we're looking for. It's a very just easy, calm follow through. All right, the B note, our new note, is going to be the second string right here. Take a second to look at where the two notes are on the staff. E is going to be in that top space. B is going to be on that third line. I've given you the notes B throughout our couple of exercises, 7 and 8, but then on 9 we don't have the notes written in, so it is important that they start reading where these notes are on the staff. So E and B. The other two things I just want to remind us are our time signatures. So remember, 2/4 time means we're going 1, 2, 1, 2. 3/4 time means we're going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So always check the time signature. I also wanted to talk about note values. So if we're in 2/4 time, our quarter notes are going to go 1, 2, 1, 2. Or if you're playing notes, 1, 2, 1, 2. If we are in 3/4 time, those quarter notes are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I also want to talk about a half note. That gets 2 beats, right? 1, 2. Or you can go half note. A dotted half note, looks like a half note, but it's got that dot at the end, is going to get 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. So make sure you understand all that stuff. And if you do, let's go ahead and look at 7, 8, and 9. So exercise 7, the time signature is 2/4 time. So we start with an E note as a half note. That's going to be the entire measure. 1, 2. Second measure, we go to B, and it's another half note. 1, 2. In the third measure, we're going to go from E to B as quarter notes. These are going to feel a lot faster. E, B, E, B. So exercise 7, let's count it off. 1, 2, ready, go. And that's exercise 7. All right, exercise 8. Let's take a look at this one. It is in 3/4 time. So make sure you always check 3/4 time. We're going to start off with quarter notes on E. That means we're going to count 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to go to B. These are also quarter notes. 1, 2, 3. Then we go to that dotted half note as in E, and we're going to play that or hold it out for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Then we go to B on the second string. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to count it off, and let's try to play 8 together. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's take a look at number 9. This one, I don't give you the counts, and I don't give you the notes. So we need to figure out what time signature and how we're counting, and then what our notes are. So the time signature, we are in 3/4 time. That means each measure is going to be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The first 2 measures are quarter notes. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we have a dotted half note. We're going to let this ring, right? 1, 2, 3. Then our last measure is also a dotted half note. So we let this one ring. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's figure out what the notes are. Are they E's or are they B's? Remember, E is in that top space in the staff. B is on the third line or the middle line, right in the middle of the staff. So our first note is E. It's in that top space. We're going to play E. Then we're going to go down to B. You see it's on that line. And then we go back up to E. So the first measure goes E, B, E. Then our second measure is actually going to do the exact same thing. You can see it's got that E up top, goes down to the B, and goes back up to E. E, B, E. Now we hit our dotted half note. Remember, we're going to let this one ring out. And this dotted half note is a B note. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Then for our last measure, we go up to E. 1, 2, 3. So number 9 goes E, B, E, E, B, E, B, 3, E, 2, 3. All right, that's it for now. I hope that helped. Good luck practicing, and thanks for watching.